Today we got a video from Bodycam Watch, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Woman at Door After She Hid for Years.
On August 6, 2022, sheriff's deputies were preparing to serve a warrant on a woman involved in grand theft. The woman had been evading police since 2019 by providing her sister's identification.
So if you want to take that time, it's going to be far.
I'm going to be on LA3. I'm going to be on LA3 because I don't have standard.
No. Stand by the garage. You just walk up with the paperwork. Mm-hmm. Like you have to give it to her, so it's just you. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And then I'll put that and I'll wait till you and myself there.
Hey, Lucretia here?
Lucretia?
Yeah.
No, I don't know.
Well, is there a female here?
Yeah.
Can I talk to her? I think I'm getting the name wrong. Yeah, she just, I have to have her fill out some paperwork from an incident that occurred a couple weeks ago.
Oh, okay.
All right? Okay, yeah, just have her step up for me.
Okay.
What name do you ask for?
The name?
LaQuita?
Yeah. When I said it, she's like, I don't know LaQuita, but I said, is there a female inside? Can I talk to her? She said, yeah. So, find out. She comes out, just grab her. Or just have her come to this corner right here. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? Hey, you were involved in a battery a couple weeks ago?
Yeah.
I just have to have you sign some paperwork for me. Okay. Can you just do it on your car here? Because I don't have a thing.
Baby, don't. I thought it was up.
Yeah.
Hey. Wait.
You got a warrant. Stop.
Wait,
Stop resisting.
No.
Stop resisting.
Let me get fake.
Wait.
Stop resisting.
What are you doing?
Stop.
We know
Stop.
your name.
Stop.
Your name. Put your hands.
Stop.
What are you doing?
Stop resisting!
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Stop resisting!
What are you doing?
Stay there.
What are you doing?
Stop
Put your hands behind your
What
back.
are you doing?
We know your true name.
What are you doing?
Shamikia, you have
What
warrants
are
for your arrest.
you doing?
Stop resisting!
What are you
Stop resisting!
You have warrants for your arrest,
Why
Shamikia.
are you hurting me?
Well, you're
Stop
resisting.
resisting, okay?
We
They
told
got
you
her
stop
together,
resisting.
didn't they?
You're hurting me.
Okay, well, if you
You're
can't
hurting me. Please take it apart. Please, you're hurting me.
no, you're going to jail.
For what?
You have warrants. We know your name, Shamikia.
Let me go, please.
No.
Don't
No.
fight him, Shamika.
But you're hurting me.
right,
Like it's
Shamikia.
me.
Stand up.
Well, if you wouldn't have resisted,
Don't fight, Shamika.
Okay, now please put on some other clothes.
No.
Like,
no.
Come up here.
Nope, that stopped when you resisted us.
Yeah,
We need to check these cuffs, though.
yeah.
This one is loose.
Get her
Shamikia,
readjusted.
stop. Put your hands behind your back.
I don't understand what's
Put
going
your hands
on.
behind
You have
your
warrants
back.
for your arrest.
But I don't understand why
Stop.
Stop.
Oh, gosh.
Stop resisting.
So we can fix the cuff.
Yeah.
Grab it so I can.
No, when you resist, you get 0 breaks.
You guys just
Stop.
pushed me. You didn't even
Stop.
say anything. Like,
No,
Stop.
as soon as you saw us, you tried to run back in the house.
how did I try to run? You ran after me. Like, what are you talking about? Oh my God.
Well, you
I
have
don't
warrants for your
understand
arrest.
what's going
Man,
on.
for 3 years
You're
though?
already in handcuffs, so stop. Not going
I'm gonna
anywhere.
go for a bra.
Okay.
Like around the
I
front.
don't understand what they're doing.
Stop.
Stop.
It's just-
Put this on.
Honestly, I hate when people say that. You pretending like you don't know what's going on. You know exactly what's going on. You know that you've been evading police for 3 years, giving a fake name, and you know exactly what the heck is going on. Well, if you don't know, let me tell you, you're going to jail, okay?
I'm not gonna go anywhere. Just why you guys so strong? You're hurting me.
Stop resisting.
You've given your sister's name multiple times. You have warrants for your arrest you know about. You're on probation out of Miami. The gig's up. You got away with it for years. You can't get away with it anymore. You need to check your luggage with your right hand. Coming around. And she wanted to change her clothes too.
I can't go like this.
She tried to get it around.
I don't have them or nothing.
You're going like that. You're going like that.
Try 212.
Gave up when you fought us. We don't give any breaks.
Home Bravo Foxtrot.
Please, I have on the sports, but I don't have no weapons on me. I just got off from work.
Still.
Oh my fucking God, what is this, man? Can I at least turn around?
No, she's searching right now.
There's nothing on me.
Oh, well, stop. Let me
Stop
finish.
screaming at me. Don't scream at me. Like I don't understand why.
You have warrants. Relax. Can you
Stop moving around.
Get a female?
Stop moving around.
You keep moving around. Like.
Keep prone for the left side.
Should be a prior call. Prior
That side.
warrant service here
I'm
from a
gonna
couple
have to
days
switch
ago.
over there. Got her.
I don't understand what they're doing right now.
We're
You don't
searching
have
you.
warrants. There's nothing on me. Like you can get a search. There's nothing on me. I just wanted to change my clothes.
You're not changing any
You're not
clothes.
changing
got
when you
off
just
from
fight us.
work.
Well, when you fight us, you don't change clothes. Yeah.
There's
get
nothing
a better
on
choice
me,
over
bro. I just got off from work. My
Why are you with the
back
mic?
Why are you
hurts.
leaning back like that?
Because my back hurts. I
No,
just got off from work. There's nothing on me.
Well, a female is searching you.
There's nothing. There's nothing on me. There's nothing. I just got out of my house. I just got off from work.
We'll search you again when we get to the car. If you have anything on you when you get to the jail, it's going to be
You
at
want
your
to
charge.
pull your car up?
Yeah, you are.
There's nothing on me, bro.
Okay. Just pull my car with the back camera.
Hey, call me when you get with.
I don't know your number. I don't have anything.
I'll come down there. Can I come down and give all my information?
We'll get all that. You can try.
Yeah, everything's fine.
Nasi banda bos mali onsdag.
Huh?
Nasi maleno onsdag.
She has warrants, that's all.
I don't understand what's going on.
You know
like,
exactly what's going on. You keep giving your sister's name because you have warrants, right? So this shouldn't be a shock to you, okay? You've been hiding your warrants since 2019. You've gotten stopped multiple times. You keep giving your sister's information every time you get stopped. There's a reason you give your sister's information, because you have warrants. Like, let's be an
but
adult.
I had to do all of this.
Okay,
like,
let's be an
for what,
adult.
though? But why was
Because
all
you've
of
been
this?
hiding since 2019.
So what? Maybe I don't want to be found. You ever thought about
Well, now
that?
you're
Like,
found.
seriously.
Now you're found.
I haven't done anything. I don't get in trouble up here. Like, what's the problem?
Well, you're going back to Miami.
It's hurting me. That's what I'm trying to. It's hurting me. You're not
I
understanding.
can stick my fingers in
They're
there. You're good.
handcuffs, and they're properly fitted.
You keep moving around, it's going to hurt.
Sit down, my back. I'm not gonna go. I can't go anywhere. I just want to sit down.
Well, you haven't proven that you're not going to do anything, so.
I'm a whore.
Yeah, I said you haven't proven that you're not going to do anything, so that's why we're
I
holding on
just
to.
want to sit. My back hurts. Now
Well, you sit there. We're getting, we're putting you in the car in a second.
Put you in the car. You sit in the car.
Can I put my shoes
I'll
on?
get your shoe. I'll get it. I will get it.
Let me put my shoes on.
Get it.
Like, let me put my shoes on. What the fuck?
Yeah, grown up. Come on. Let's act like an adult, Shamiki.
I just want my shoes.
I said I would get it.
Get in the car.
I don't want to.
You gotta go to jail.
I really don't want to.
Get in the car.
You can't make this up, boy.
Be an adult.
Man, I can't do this.
Be an adult.
Get in the car now.
Let's be an adult, okay?
I can't do this. I don't understand. I work too hard. Everything I have is I
Get in the
work too
car now.
I work too hard, man. I can't take this away from me.
Get in the car now.
Please.
Let's treat you like an adult. Come on.
She ain't an adult, she a kid, man. Acting like one big old kid.
Just
whacked the shit out of him. Yeah. Yeah, I'm good.
Resisted. Driving without a license. Using the sign. Wow. You can't make this stuff up, man. You cannot make this stuff up. You act surprised now that you're finally caught. You've been hiding since 2019. At the time of this is 2022 or whatever. So that's 3 years. 3 years. And then you say, oh, why? I don't understand. I don't understand. What? I worked too hard. Well, you could go to jail, do the time that you were supposed to do back in 2019, but you prolonged it. So go back, go do your time, and then you can start over. You know what I'm saying? You work too hard. Well, okay, well, you can work again. Get it back. Get it back. But you gotta go, you know, pay your debt to society. You want to commit crimes? Pay your debt to society. That's the end of this goddamn story, man. But anyway, I think the officers did a great job. I like how they pre-planned everything. Well, one's going to stay in the shadows. We're going to pretend that there's one to get her out and everything. I loved it. I loved it. Great planning. You know, I feel like it was very organized. You know, a lot of times cops was going into things and it's unorganized. They not, no. This was very organized. I loved it. So I'm for this execution of this criminal that's been on the run for 3 years at the time of this, when this happened. Excellent job. 5 out of 5 from me. And they ain't have to, you know, put too much, you know, they ain't have to put no extra force in there. They just a little bit, you know, a little, you know, they ain't have to get them all the way together. You know what I'm saying? She wasn't acting right. But she straightened out a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, so 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.